Are you pulling your hair out because your Telnyx device just won't register? Let's get you back online in under 90 seconds. First, log into your Telnyx Portal. Head over to the Connections tab. This is where you'll manage all your SIP connections. Identify the connection that's giving you trouble. Click on it to dive into its details. Now, double-check your authentication settings. Is your username correct? How about the password? A simple typo here is a very common culprit. Next, verify your IP address in the access control list. Make sure the IP address of your device or PBX is whitelisted. If it's not there, add it. Scroll down and confirm your SIP port and transport protocol settings. Telnyx typically uses port 5060 for UDP or TCP and 5061 for TLS. Ensure your device matches these settings. Let's talk codecs. Make sure your chosen codecs are supported on your device and the correct priorities are set. This can cause connection issues. Now, let's consider network issues. Is your firewall blocking SIP traffic? Are there any network outages? Test your network connection and temporarily disable firewalls to see if it resolves the issue. Still stuck? Don't panic. The Telnyx support team is ready to help. Click on the support tab in the portal to submit a ticket. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to fixing those pesky Telnyx registration problems. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.